Hello, astronomy students. This is Mr. Brennan. I'm sorry I can't be here today, but during your time in class, you've got a couple of things that you can be working on. I'm showing you the Google Classroom as it sits right now. You're familiar with the sunrise variation assignment, your documentation for the sun locator, and the most recent assignment, the retrograde motion exploration. Okay, so those are back assignments that you could be working on. If you're looking to work ahead, I would suggest that you go to this ancient astronomy research phase 1. You have a handout that's a little more detailed than the one I'm going to show you, but let me show you what happens when you select this and open up this document. This is the first step, as it suggests, in the research project. Okay, so let me show you what you're going to see when you open that up. So you open it up, it says Ancient Astronomy Phase 1, right? Select your topic and find sources. Okay, so list your topic here. The list of topics is below. I'll scroll down there for you to see. Okay, it's on the back side of the paper. Okay. There are 5 there, okay, for you to think about. Pick one of those, and then you're going to start looking for links, resources on the internet that will be helpful for you, okay? And so I've got an example here, right? You get the link to the website, and then if you can tell like who's behind it, like it might be the American Museum of Natural History, it might be PBS, or it might be the Harvard Astrophysical Society or something like that. It might be something obvious. Maybe it's a person. If you can't find the group, that might tell you something. That might hint at the fact that it's just maybe a hobbyist, and perhaps this isn't the strongest source. But oftentimes you can figure out what the name of the sponsoring group or person is. Okay. What's more important, though, is this last column. Not so much that you have to like do a lot of research with these links at this point, but you should have a good reason as to why you're picking that particular website. Okay, what you put in this cell here, in each of these cells, as you look for multiple sources, you're going to put down something like, the graphics in this are really, really helpful and help me understand what was going on. Or the reading level at this website was just right for me. It gave me, I could understand what they were talking about really easily, something like that, okay? Some reason why, okay, I'm going to hang on to this, this link because I want to do something good with it, and it works for me. Okay, so that's what that last column is about, and I want you to plug in there. Okay, I'm going to show you what step 2 is like, not because you have access to it right away, but because it makes a nice counterpoint to what step 1 is all about. So step 1, you're just saying why you grabbed a certain website and put it into this table. Okay. All right, let me show you what step 2 is all about. This second phase, right, you're going to go back to your sources, and for at least 3 of your sources, extract some nuggets, okay? You put the link to your source here. Then you're going to literally quote it here. You're going to like grab some text from it, or maybe it's an image or something that you think is really helpful, some bit of information, a nugget that you think is really important. And then here's the critical piece. In this last column, you'll wind up putting that nugget in your own words, right? You want to be able to make sure that you can read this and then you can kind of restate it in ways that make sense to you, and maybe make sense to the people you know, okay? So that's step 2. You're not doing that today, but if you find yourself kind of quoting things in step 1, or trying to like describe things in step 1, you're doing too much at this point. Okay, let me go back to my step 1 document, my phase 1 document, right? Here it is, phase 1. You're just saying why, right here, why you chose that website. What kind of value does it have for you? Okay. Hey, listen, if you're done with step 1, I'm going to go back to the to Google Classroom in a second, and I'll tell you what to do if you're done with step one. Phase one, what I would like you to do is to go back to your handout that I gave you the other day about the computational thinking summative prep questions. I will soon be posting solutions to that on the Google Classroom. It's possible that by the time you watch this video, it will be posted, but I can't promise that, okay? But it'll be soon, within a day or two, okay? So you can work on that and get yourself ready for next week's in-class summative. I promise you, if you can do the prep questions, you can do the summative, okay? Have a great day. I will see you soon, and I guess I'm not seeing you on Friday, so enjoy your 3-day weekend. Take care. Bye.